there, in this video I will show you how to create to-do list in Evernote. So for this I am here on evernote.com and I log in with my account. So once you log in with your account, then you will be directed to this interface. Now to create a to-do list, you need to click on notes first and then you will be directed here. Now in right side we have to-do list in suggested templates. So I will go with to-do list and then you will find all the list here and you can create it. So first of all you need to create your to-do list. So what you want to do for now, so I want to complete my homework. Okay, so now the task is added. Task 1, you can click on it and then you can edit your timing. So I want to edit date and time. So I want to finish this by tomorrow at 8 p.m. Then click on done. So now the task is added. In this way you can create the third one and much more. In this way you can create to-do list in Evernote. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.